Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make jackfruit yogurt using an easy method. We'll explore the simple steps to create a delightful, plant-based yogurt right in your own kitchen. You'll learn how to choose the perfect ripe jackfruit, prepare it, and combine it with just a few other ingredients. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can enjoy a homemade, creamy, and naturally sweet treat with minimal effort. Get ready to transform fresh jackfruit into a fantastic, healthy snack. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of ripe jackfruit, carefully deseeded and chopped into small pieces. Next, grab 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. Chilling it overnight helps separate the cream. Also, have 2 tablespoons of a good quality vegan probiotic capsule or a dedicated yogurt starter culture on hand. For a touch more sweetness, consider adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. These few items are all you need for our delicious creation. Now, let's blend and begin the fermentation process. First, scoop the thick coconut cream from your chilled can into a high-speed blender, adding the chopped jackfruit and any optional sweetener. Blend this mixture until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, which usually takes about 1 minute. Once blended, gently stir in your probiotic culture. Pour the mixture into a clean glass jar, cover it loosely with a lid or cloth, and let it ferment at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours. After 8 to 12 hours, your jackfruit yogurt is ready for the final step. It should have a pleasant tang and a slightly thicker consistency. Give it a gentle stir, then transfer the jar to your refrigerator. Chilling for at least 4 hours will help it firm up beautifully and enhance its refreshing qualities. Once thoroughly chilled, your delicious homemade jackfruit yogurt is perfect for enjoying plain, or topped with fresh fruit, granola, or a drizzle of extra maple syrup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.